Good morning, Ethan. You're up early today.
Yeah, I have an important meeting at work. I didn't want to be late.
That makes sense. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up late preparing my presentation.
You should have gone to bed earlier. You look a bit tired.
I know, but I had a lot to finish. What about you?
I slept great. I woke up around 7 and went for a quick jog.
That's impressive. I wish I had that kind of energy in the morning.
It's all about routine. Once you get used to it, it becomes easy.
Maybe I should start waking up earlier too.
Definitely. It helps you stay productive throughout the day.
What are you having for breakfast?
Just some toast and coffee. Want some?
Sure, I'll take a cup of coffee. I really need it today.
No problem. It'll be ready in a minute.
Thanks. After breakfast, I'll quickly review my notes and head out.
Sounds like a plan. Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks, Emily. I really hope it goes well.
Hey, Jason, you're finally home. How was your day?
It was pretty busy, to be honest. I had back-to-back meetings.
That sounds exhausting. Did everything go well?
Yeah, mostly. I finished a big project, so that's a relief.
That's great news. You must feel good about it.
I do, but I'm also really tired now.
You should relax for a bit. Do you want to watch something?
Maybe later. I think I need to freshen up first.
Sure. Dinner will be ready in about 20 minutes.
Perfect. What are we having?
I made pasta and salad. Your favorite.
That sounds amazing. I've been craving something good all day.
After dinner, we can watch a movie or go for a short walk.
A walk sounds nice. I need some fresh air.
Yeah, it'll help you unwind.
Thanks for taking care of everything, Jessica.
Of course. That's what I'm here for.
I really appreciate it. This is exactly what I needed after a long day.